Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make healthy probiotic rich cream cheese spread at home. In my previous video I have already shown how to make cream cheese from homemade yogurt. So today I'm going to take this homemade yogurt which I have kept in the coffee filter. You can also use cheesecloth to drain all the whey. Basically it's something like hand curd. So when we take out the whey from the yogurt, we can call it yogurt cream cheese. And today I'm going to show you how you can make a nice spread with the cream cheese. And this spread you can use for your sandwiches or you can also use for pancakes. I'm going to use fresh basils from my garden, which is good for our gut health and also adds a very nice aroma. If you don't have the fresh basils, you can add the dried one or you can also use other herbs. But basil goes very well with cream cheese. This is a very quick and easy recipe. You can make a bigger batch and keep in fridge and you can use every day. It will stay up to 2 weeks. Or you can also make a small batch and finish immediately. I consider this cream cheese spread very healthy because we are using the homemade yogurt which has good bacteria or probiotic called lactobacillus. And I'm also going to add the ingredients which is also very good for our health, for our gut health also. And how can I lead the brain? So that's why adding the walnuts which is very good for our brain health and also it gives a very nice nutty taste to the spread. This cream cheese will be a little bit sour, so I'm going to add something which can make it little sweet, and that's why I'm going to add my honey fermented garlic. Many people ask me what to do with honey fermented garlic. This is one of the best way to use the fermented honey, which has also garlic flavor. It will reduce the sourness of the yogurt and also will add the health benefits. Now adding the olive oil, it will give a very smooth texture and will also preserve the cream cheese. Adding less than half spoon Himalayan salt, it will bind everything very nicely. And mix them very well. Since honey is a bit watery, this cream cheese will not be hard, it will be soft and that's why I am calling it a spread. The quantity of each ingredient is not fixed, you can add as per your choice. You can use store-bought yogurt, just make sure the yogurt is with live culture, then only you will get the probiotics. Our spread is ready and now I am going to put in a glass container, but in the glass container I have added few coffee filters so that the excess water it will drain out from the cheese spread. Because if you have too much water in the spread, it will not stay longer. But anyway, this is optional because we are not trying to make hard cheese. This is already soft and we are going to finish in 1 to 2 weeks. So should be fine. I will put the video link for how to make thick yogurt at home and also how to make cream cheese at home and also how to make honey fermented garlic at home. If you have not made this before, you should check out the video first. After pressing gently, I am adding 2 more coffee filters on top and then I will close the container lid. And now it's time to taste. Here is my freshly baked sourdough bread and I am going to add on top this spread. Heavenly. One side sourdough bread, the other side is the homemade cheese and the basil aroma. Amazing. Until you make at home, you will not know what you are missing. Stay happy and healthy.